Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today my husband is going to show you how to install a bullet speed V-back canvas roof top for the Polaris Slingshot.
Alright, you remove, save the bolt. You use the number 8 Allen wrench. Remove the mirror bracket. Save the bolts. Number 6 Allen. The long bolt. There's a long and a short for installations. You use the 2 long bolts to go through here. And leave them loose. Do not tighten these up because you'll never get the other screws to line up. Leave everything loose. And you repeat it on the other side the same way. And then on this, you line up the holes using the short bolt. Leave everything loose and you'll tighten it all up later. And then you do the same thing on the opposite side. Make sure you have the lettering facing out and these bolts facing out. It's easy to turn them around. Make sure you got them in this orientation. Leaving it loose. This is a number 8. Leave these loose too. You want to run them down. Leave them loose. Now we go back to the back and we secure all those bolts first. These have elongated holes, so these will be the last ones that we secured. Remember, most of these screws or bolts, however you want to refer to it, are steel. A good bit of this is aluminum. Steel and aluminum, steel is much harder than the aluminum, much stronger. You need to get these good and snug and tight. You over tighten them though, you've stripped out a bracket. So use caution. And I'm not going to cinch these all down real tight yet. I'm just taking the slack out. Alright, the final step after everything's been secured is to reattach the mirror mount to the new framework. It consists of a single 13mm headed bolt, and it just goes in here. It's the existing bolt that came out from the original mounting. You take your socket. Sometimes this works best for 2 people. You have one person stand out here and try and set this while you sit in the driver's seat and tell them which is the best position. You get it approximately right and you tighten it down. Again, be careful. It's a steel bolt going into an aluminum frame. It's easy to strip.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.